Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the cPro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on the profile button in the middle of the screen, and you can add the profile picture by tapping on this camera icon at the top. Tap on the circle and you should allow the application to have access to your camera, and then you will be able to select a picture from your gallery or take a photo. After that, you should also add your email address, which is validated, as you can see. Then you can change your full name if you want to, and you can also add your city and state. If you are done with these features, click on the done button and tap on the X button in the upper right corner of the screen, and everything will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.